Yes, then if you couldn't able to participate the class right now, he or she can join. I will record this class session, then I'll upload into the YouTube. Then I'll send that link to your group, right? Like, okay, fine. So the first part, yes, you say that same thing. 8, yes, 8 to the power, sorry, 8, 10 to the power. The number is 0, right? Here. The number is 0. Here, right? 10 to the power 0. So 10 to the power 0 means 1 no. So 8 into 1, you can write here 8 likewise, right? 8 into 1 likewise. Yes, give me your answers for the other questions as well. Yes, start. 99. Anyone you can.
9.9 into 10 to the power 1.
9.9 into 10 to the power 1. Yes. Next one.
7.8 into 10 to the power 1.
7.8 into 10 to the power 1. D.
9.99 into 10 to the power 2.
9.99 into 10 to the power 2, like. Next.
4.01 into 10 to the power 2.
Yes, 4.01 into 10 to the power 2. Good. F.
1.11 into 10 to the power 2.
1.11 into 10 to the power 2. Yes. G. Yes, anybody? Sandupama, Tishan, Oshadi. Here, this one.
5.42 into 10 to the power 4.
Yes, the rule is in between 1 and 10. No, should have to convert this one in between 1 and 10. So you can go for here 54,000. No, so you can go for here 5.4, and there is 4 numbers. So you can write 10 to the power 4. Right? Good. Next one. H. H.
4.94 into 10 to the power 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, very good. There are 6 numbers. If you are putting here 4.94, then you can write down 4.94 into 10 to the power 6. Very good. Part I.
1 into 10 to the power 6.
Yes, 1 into 1.0, right? Into 10 to the power 6. Write each of the following numbers in scientific notation. 200. Again, you have to take 200 dash inside of 1 to 10. What is the number? The number is 2. So 2 into 10 to the power, what is the number?
2.
10 to the power 2. D,
2.54 into 10 to the power 2.
okay, good. C,
1.01 into 10 to the power 3.
good. D,
5.29 into 10 to the power 3.
very good. E,
7.43 into 10 to the power 4.
F,
3.4 into 10 to the power 5.
very good. G,
6.5812 into 10 to the power 4.
10 to the power,
6.
very good. 10 to the power 6. Why? There are 6 places, no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, no? All right. That's right. Okay. Next one.
7.34 into 10 to the power 2.
10 to the power? Eh? 10 to the power which number? Is there any change? Is this number want a change? No,
No.
nothing. No, nothing to change. So 7.34 into 10 to the power. That means
0.
that means one time no they're asking. Neither 7.34 into 1. 1 means 10 to the power 0. 1 means 10 to the power 0. That's what. Right? That's what. 10 to the power 0. Yes, I.
1.85 into 10 to the power 0.
1.85 into 10 to the power 0. 1.85 into 10 to the power 0. Is that correct? 10 to the power 0?
No, sir.
10 to the power 0 means 1, no. So that is wrong.
10 to the power 1.
10 to the power 1. Yes, 10 to the power 1 means 10. 10 means, yes, you can write down here 1.85 into 10 to the power 1. Right, good. Next one.
7.158 into 10 to the power 2.
7.158 into 10 to the power 2. Yes, your answer is correct, right? 10 to the power 2. Right. Third one. Third one.
2.524 into 10 to the power 3.
Right. So yes, 2.524 into 10 to the power 3. No. Yes. 2.524 into 10 to the power 3. Right. Next one. Next,
9.3 into 10 to the power 3.
9.3 into 10 to the power 3, right? 9.3 into 10 to the power 3. Right. Next, Mahavali River question.
3.3
3.35 into 10 to the power 2.
3.35 into 10 to the power 2, yes. Next one.
6.561 into 10 to the power 4.
6.561 into 10 to the power 4, right? So these are the answers here, meters, right? Here hectares, here kilometers, and here square kilometers, right? Likewise. Okay, fine. Right? I think you all have understood that question, right? We have discussed on that day everything about this lesson, and I ask you to do that homeworks, right? Right. Then 13.2. Yes, 13.2. Copy the following table and complete. How to write the steps? Yes, no need to give me that middle step. You can go through directly by this step because it's very complex to read that one. No? So you can directly give me the answer for this. Yes. What can be the answer for here?
5.9 into 10 to the power minus 2.
5.9 into 10 to the power
Minus 2.
minus 2. Right, very good. Next one.
4.9 into 10 to the power minus 3.
4.9 into 10 to the power minus 3. Very good. Next one. Others also you can join. You can talk.
1.35 into 10 to the power minus 4.
1.35 into 10 to the power minus 3. Yes, very good. Why? This decimal place is going 1, 2, 3, and 4 places to make that minus 4. No? 4 places to make that 1.35 into minus 4. Very good. Next. Next,
5 into
0.
10 to the power minus 6.
5.0 into 10 to the power minus 6. Very good. Yes. F.
3.9 into 10 to the power 7.
3.9 into 10 to the power minus
6.
6, not 7. Why? Here we have to go for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 only. Right? Understand? Right. Next one.
1.1135 into 10 to the power minus 1.
Only one now, not 6 places, right? Then 1.11345 into 10 to the power minus 1. That's all. 10 to the power minus 1, right? Okay. Two students are absent today, right? So don't worry, tell them they can take this class session in online YouTube as a YouTube download package. So don't worry about if they ask you, you can tell them, right? And also if you have any disconnection problem or any unnecessary signal shortage or something like that, you can download that video which I will record this class session, right? So don't worry about that. Okay, right. Second question. Write each of following numbers in scientific notation. Yes, there are 6 questions, 6 parts, right? First one.
8 into 10 to the power minus 2.
Yes, 8 into 10 to the power minus 2 or 8.0 into 10 to the power minus 2. Both are correct, right? Okay. Next one.
5.43 into 10 to the power minus 1.
5.43 into 10 to the power minus 1. Very good. See,
4 into 10 to the power minus 4.
4 into 10 to the power minus 4. Very good. Next one.
1.9 into 10 to the power minus 3.
1.9 into 10 to the power minus 3.
9.5 into 10 to the power minus 3.
9.5 into 10 to the power minus
4.
4. Yes. Next.
5.4 into 10 to the power minus 8.
5.4 into 10 to the power minus 8. Good. Express each of the following numbers in scientific notations. Can you express it? Can you see that decimal place? Carefully do it. Lot of numbers will confuse you. Yes, tell me.
1
Radius of
into
an atom.
1 into 10 to the power minus
1 into 10 to the power minus
9.
9.
9 or 10.
9.
Are there any other answers? No. 1 into 10 to the power minus 9. That is the answer, right? Good. Very good. Huh? Yes, the mass of 1 cubic centimeter of an air is 0.00129 grams. So what could be that?
1.29 into 10 to the power minus 3.
1.29 into 10 to the power minus 3 is the answer. Yeah. The mass of 1 cubic centimeter of hydrogen is 0.0000889 grams.
Eight point 9 into 10 to the power minus
5.
Minus 5, yes, that is the answer, right? That is the answer. Okay. 13.3. First one. Yes. 5.43. 3 to the power 10 to the power 3 that has been here. So what do you want to do here? You have to write the number.
1000.
What is the number? 10 to the power 3 means just the number
1000.
1000 you have to write here, right? Likewise. Then what is the answer for here? Multiply that 1000. Get 7 maths. 5.43 into 1000. How many zeros after that 5? That should be 3 times. So what is the answer? Yes, anyone?
$5,430.
Yes, that should be 5,430. Why? Because this decimal point will move right side. How many zeros are there? 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. So final we haven't any zero. We haven't any decimal place. So you should have to add a 0 after 3. Neither. Then 5,430. 5,430. Second question. Yes. 10 to the power 5 means what is the number? Ten to the power 5, what is the number?
10,000.
10,000. So what can be the answer here?
So it's not 10,000. 100,000.
Yes, 72500 because 4 is at 10,000 or any other answer.
100,000. 100,000.
What is the answer? That should be 100,000. Why? 10 to the power 5, right? Not 4. 100,000. Then how many zeros you have to add here? After the decimal place? 5, no? So you have to add 5. That means 7 already here. Then 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Understand? So what is the answer? 725,000 should be the answer. Understand? Is there any mistakes? Third question. .02 into 10 to the power 1 means what is the number here?
10.
So, final answer?
60.2.
3.2, neither. Right. Okay, fourth question. Here 10 to the power minus 2 means we have done on previous day, no? Previous day, that decimal, the indices, right? We have discussed those things, right? So what could be the answer for that blank? 1 over 10 to the power
10 to the power 2.
Minus 2.
minus 2 is there. So here 1 over 10
2.
to the power plus 2, that means 2, right? Okay, then after this one, yes, that is
100.
equals to 100. That is equals to 100. That's only, ne? Good. Next one. .06 into 10 to the power minus 6. 10 to the power minus 6 means what?
1 over 10 to the power 6.
10 to the power 6, very good. 1 over 10 to the power 6, right? 1 over 10 to the power 6, very good. Now then, that should be 10 to the power 6. What is the number? 1 and z. Yes, how many zeros? That I told you several times that power represent the number of zeros. That power number represent the number of zeros. See, 10 to the power 2, 100, 2 zeros. 10 to the power 3, 3 zeros. 10 to the power 5, 5 zeros. 10 to the power 1, 1 zero. 10 to the power 6, 6 zeros. So very important and very easy to learn that 10 to the power, that number represent the number of zeros. Simple, right? So you can write down here the answer. Right, that should be is 0.000050 zeros and 106, right? 5 zeros and 106. Fine. Is that okay? Shall we go to the next one? Yes or no? Okay. Can't you hear my voice?
Okay.
Right. Final few questions, right? In the homework, right? So convert the following numbers to general form. Here's one by one. Easily you can say it. A. Yes, one by one.
890.
890. B.
10,500.
10,500. C. Yes, Sandupama, Udita, Tishan, Karushi, Roshadi.
79,900.
Wait, give me 1 minute.
15 kilo.
Right. C. What is that? The answer? C. Yes. Again, I have to tell you. Oshadi, Sandupama, Tarushi, Udita, Tishan. C.
7,000, 99,400.
7,000. Yes, try. How many zeros? There are 5, no? 5 zeros means you have to shift 5 decimal places here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Right? That means 2 zeros you have to add. So how many numbers now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers together. So 799,400 is the answer. Understand? Right? How many points you have to shift right side? This one tells you. Understand? So 5 steps you have to shift that decimal point. So 799,400 is the answer. Understand? Hey Tishan, මොකද ප්‍රශ්නේ? Yes, Tishan, what is the problem?
Sir, E.
Yes, E. I am asking C, right? Then I described C, then D. Before going E, we have to go for D. What is the answer for D?
8020.
80,200. 8,200. No, 8,000.
8020.
8,020. Yes, very good. 8,020. Good. Next one. Oh, that is a huge number, right? What can be that number? Nine. How many decimal places you should have to add? 7. That means here 2, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What will happen? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? So 7, that means 5 extra zeros you should have to add. So what is the number? What can be the number here? Yes. Yes, grade 6 maths. Number kiyo ganna barida. Now you are in grade 9. Yes. Try and tell. Sandupma, Ishan, Udita, Oshadi, Karushi. Yes. How many millions are here?
99
Hmm.
and 900,000.
99,900,000. That's only. Next. F.
0.72.
0.72. Good. G.
0.00834.
Very good. 0.00834. 0.00834. Very good. Next one.
0.000597.
Hmm. Yes, good. 0.000597. Good. Next one.
0.00000912.
Yes, 912, not 912. Very good. 0.0000, fourth decimal places, and fifth one is 9912. Good. Next one.
0.000500.
0.00005. That's only. After the decimal place, no need to write, no need to add zeros, right? After that complete number, right? Understand? Zeros, right? That is the way. So you can write down here 0 decimal places. Here 6 decimal places. That means before 5 you have to add 5 zeros, right? 5. Yes, good. So now it's time to go for the third one. Yes, start. Third one. Yes, third one. I'm asking third one. A, B, C. A.
3.7 into 10 to the power 4.
3.7 into 10 to the power 4. Is that the largest number? Yes. Yes, this one. B.
2.1 into 10 to the power 4.
2.1 into 10 to the power 4. Why? There is 10 to the power 4 here, right? That's next one.
3.7 into 10 to the power 5.
Yes, good. Part D.
2.1
2.1 into 10 to the power 4.
Very good. E.
2.1 into 10 to the power 4.
Same one, no? Yes, good. F.
3.7 into 10 to the power minus 3.
Why? Minus 3 is bigger than minus 4. We have discussed several times, no? That is the thing, right? Minus 3 is greater than the minus 4. Then larger number, no? So minus 3 is that number. Minus values are, if you have minus values, the least number is the greater one, right? That means minus 1 is greater than minus 10. You have to keep on your mind. Minus 5 is greater than minus 6. Likewise, right? Minus values. 4. The area of the earth covered by land is 1.488 into 10 to the power 8 kilometers, square kilometers. So how to write it? You have to write how many zeros here? 8, right? So 3 decimal places you have to move. Then 3 means total 8. So extra 5 you have to add, right? So 5 you have to add. Right. So this is the number. Understand? The number. Okay. So what is that? 148,800,000 kilometers, square kilometers. Right? Yes, next.
361,300,000.
Yes, same thing, no? Here. 361,300,000 kilogram. Sorry, kilometers. Sorry, very sorry here, right? Kilometers square. That means square kilometers, right? Earth covered by the ocean. Yes, next one.
510,100,000 square kilometers.
Is the total surface area of the Earth. Yes, same way, right? You can write 510. Million, 100,000. That's only kilometers square kilometers, right? Like that. Right. Are there any problems, any difficult points? Yes. Are there any doubts? Oshadi, Sandubama, Tarushi, Udita, Tishan.
No problem, sir.
Okay,
No, sir.
then shall we start rounding off part? Right? Okay, write a topic rounding of numbers. Right? Write a topic rounding of numbers. Rounding of numbers, right? We have already learned those things. No, rounding of 10. Do you remember that? I on previous day I told you that 43, right? Which number that will rounding off nearest 10, 40 or 50? Which number that belongs?
40,
Yes, 40. Then 48.
50,
Here's that nearest number, right? On previous week, I told you a margin as well. What are the two margins? Incomplete numbers. What are the two margins? Here, belonging to 40. What is the margin? 44, no?
4 and
After that,
45.
here 45. Yes, very good. 44 and 45. 44 is belonging to 40. 45 is belonging to 50. That right? So 36, 40, 35, 40, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40 also 40, yeah? 40 also 40, I told you. 41, 40, 42, 40, 43, 40, 44 also 40, 45 is going to 50, 46, 50, 47, 50 likewise, 53, 50, 54, 50, 55 is going to next number 60. Understand? We have discussed on previous week. Do you remember that part?
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good. So then today we have to discuss furthermore about rounding of that numbers, right? So write down a small subtopic, rounding off to the nearest 10, right? Rounding off to the nearest 10. Rounding off to the nearest 10, right? Right? Okay. Finished? Rounding off to the nearest 10, right? Okay. Can you tell me what is the nearest number of this one? Rounding off to the nearest 10.
370,
Right? Here's what is the number. 370 is the answer. Understand why I put here an arrow? You can't put here
because they
equal
can't
mark.
equal.
So this one is not equal to this one, right? That's why I put an arrow, right? Understand? Okay. So if you write like this page, you can write some examples under this one, right? Okay. Then you can go for what is the nearest number?
100, 1650.
1650. How it works? Go for the final two digits and think. Go for the final two digits and think what is the nearest number. Understand? Go for the final two digits and think what is the nearest number. That is the nearest number. Understand? Is that okay?
Okay, sir.
Right? Then go for the third number. 6,897. What is the answer? What is the nearest number? Team can tell me.
690.
Again.
6900.
6, not 600. 6,000, right? 6,900. Why? Because it's near to the 800. No, 900. So you can go for these final two digits to the nearest number 900, right? So likewise, you have to write in this way. So write down these examples. Then I'll give you some activity to do. First, write down this example. Start. If you can't see the board, I'll send this image to your WhatsApp group as well. You can go through that one as well, right? First, write down these three, then I'll give you some questions. Okay, finished? Then I'll give you some activities for you, right? Finished? Still writing?
Finish, sir.
First one. Second one, I'll give you. Write down nearest 10, right? Write down these two. So these 5 answers to nearest 10. I think you can clearly see the board, and you can do here, right? Finish it and tell me. Finish it and tell me.
Finish, sir.
Right. First one, what is the answer?
80.
Second one,
5110.
yes, very good. 5110. Right. Next one,
7010.
7010 means same answer, right? Why? Because nearest 10 means that number. No any nearest 10s, no? Right. Next,
1800.
next,
234,730.
yes, very good. Right? That is the answer. Right, okay, good. I think you have already learned those things very well, right? According to today's lesson, right? Then write down another small topic, subtopic, right? Rounding off to the nearest 100 or 1000. Rounding off to the nearest 100 or 1000. Rounding off to the nearest 100 or 1000, right? 100 or 1000. Nearest 100 or 1000. Right? Okay, listen. Simple thing, right? Listen carefully, right? Assume you have 1739. So what to do? Nearest 100, huh? So how to do it? Yes.
1700.
So yes, very good. How to do it? Nearest 100 means you have to go here 2 digits, right? Nearest 2 digits should be 2 zeros. So what will happen? What will happen? This number 1739. Yes, nearest 100 means that will equals to yes 1700. Understand? Right? So what can be happen here? What can be happen here? The margin should be 49 and 50 should be the margin. What is the margin? 49 and 50. Can you see here? 100 and I'll write here 600 this side and 700 this side. What could be the margin here? 649 is belongs to 600. 650 is belongs to 700. Can you see here? Yes, can you see here? What is the margin? Final two digits are the margin 50 and 49. Can you see?
Yes,
Can
sir.
you see? Yes, that means 349 means that belongs to 300. 350 that belongs to 400. Understand? Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So here 39 is the largest final two digits. So that belongs to 1700. Right? Okay. First write as an example 1739. Into nearest 10. 1739 into nearest 10. Sorry, nearest 100. Nearest 100. Okay. Nearest 100 means 1700. 1700. 1700. Write down under that line because the two margin of nearest 100, the two margins of nearest 100 are 49 and 50. The nearest two margins of 100 are 49 and 50. As an example කියලා මේ පල්ලෙහා ඉන්න කෙනා ලියා ගන්න. This one 600, the nearest number here 600. 650, nearest number is 700. So this is the margin. Understand? Understand or not? Udita, Ishan,
Understood, sir.
Andupama, Oshadi. Who is that?
Understood, sir.
Okay. Narushi. Write down up to there. Finish writing, then tell me.
Okay, sir.
Then same thing I'll apply for nearest 1000, right? Nearest 1000. Let's see the nearest 1000 here. 1739 into nearest 1000. Let's see. 1739 into nearest 1000. What do you think? Now there are 3 digits because 3 zeros. So 3 digits are here, nearest 1000. So 739 into nearest 1000. What can be happen?
2000.
2000.
Here 1000. Here 2000 is here. 1739 nearest to 2000. What is the margin?
499 and 500.
Very good. What is the margin? 499. Here is the margin 500. So 499. And the margin 500. So here 1,400, 499, 1,500 is 500. Right? Okay, so I'll put here 2,000. Assume here nearest 3 digits. Now we are discussing about here 1, 2, 3. Here 1, 2, 3 digits, right? Here is the margin. Here 1,500, 1,400. Then 1,499 is the margin for 1,000. 1,500 is margin for 2,000. Assume 5,000 and 6,000. 5,000 and 6,000. What are the numbers here? You have to write. Assume 5,000 and 6,000. What are the numbers you have to write in the margin? Can't you hear me properly? $5,000 and 6,000 means here 5,499, here 5,500. Right? That is a margin. Understand? Write down this one. I think there is a signal problem because I couldn't hear your response. Now is that okay? Can you hear me?
Can
Can
you
you
hear?
hear me? Okay. Right. Right. Write down here 1739 into nearest thousand. 1739 nearest thousand. The answer is 2000. The answer is 2000. Right? The answer is 2000. Then you can write as an example, in between 1000 and 2000, the nearest number margin is 499 and 500. The nearest number margin is 1499 and 1499 and 1500. 1499 and 1500. That means nearest number margin for any number is 499 and 500. Nearest number margin for any number is 499 and 500. The nearest number margin for any number is 499 to 500, right? Finish. Okay. So write down small topic, final topic, right? Rounding of decimal numbers. Rounding of decimal numbers. Rounding of decimal numbers. Rounding of decimal numbers, right? So you can write down here. The numbers 15 to 16. Assume like this way. We have 15.1, 15.2 likewise, 15.3, 15.4, 15.5, 15.6 likewise, right? So I'll write here the numbers again. 15.4, 15.5, 15.6, 15.7, 15.8, 15.9 and 16 is here, right? So 15 point in any number you can write here. Likewise. So the nearest number, the center is 15.5 now. So this is the margin, this is the center for margin, right? 15.5, right? 15.5. So you can write down like that margin, right? Here 15.1, 15.2, 15.3, 15.4, 15.5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here 16 and here 15, right? So the numbers are here, right? So if you have a number 15.4, that belongs to 15 side, right? That belongs to 15 side. If you have here 15.4, 15.5, that belongs to 16 side. So this is the margin here. This is the margin of that number pattern here, right? So you can copy down this one. 15.4 means that 0.4 is belongs to the previous number. 0.5 is belongs to that backward number. Understand? I think you can clearly understand this one. If you couldn't able to hear properly, don't worry, because I record this one and send to your WhatsApp group tonight, right? So tomorrow morning you can see the video, right? That's fine. So write down the topic rounding of decimal numbers, right? Rounding of decimal numbers, and write this number line and put 15 to 16 numbers as 15.1 to 15.9. Start to do. Finished? Finished? Finished or not?
Finish, sir.
Finished, right? So can you tell me, finished, right? Can you tell me as an example here? So what is the answer? Oh, here, 337.5, nearest number. What is the answer?
38.
38. Why? Here the point, decimal point 5, right? Assume this way. I'll put here 37.52. So what is the decimal place?
38.
We can write. Assume they are asking to write nearest whole number. So what can be happen? 37 no 38. Nearest whole number. Think and tell me. Yes, think and tell me. Nearest whole number. 5 2. That will depend on this one or this one. What will happen? Yes. Yes.
38.
38. Why? This is nearest to 2 5, no? Nearest to this one, no? Right? Assume 37.49. What will happen?
37.
37. Right? 37. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Right. All of you? Right. So write down this one as an example. Right? As an example, 37.5. 37.5. Nearest whole number is 38. Nearest whole number is 38. Nearest whole number is 38. And 37.52. Nearest whole number is 38. And 37.49. Nearest whole number is 37. Right? Therefore, the whole number will decide the margin of decimal place. Decide the margin of the decimal place. Right? මෙයාව ලියලා ලියන්න. Here first decimal place. Here is that second decimal place. Right? Right? Write this question. I want to know your knowledge about this decimal places. Right? Zero point 685. Write this one into the first decimal place and second decimal place. Nearest first decimal place. And write this one nearest second decimal place as well. This one. Try to write 0.685 to nearest decimal first decimal place and nearest second decimal place. Start. Yes, can you tell me the answers?
Zero point 700.
0.7, that's only. First decimal place, no? 0.7. Nearest second decimal place?
0.69.
0.69. Zero point 0.69, that's fine, right? Okay, then yes, Sandupama, Udita, Tishan. Others are missing due to that bad weather condition, right? So I think if you have any doubts, for ask now. If you have any doubts, you can ask now.
No, sir.
Okay, so I think
No,
you
sir.
can clearly understood today's lesson, and I'll try to finish this one. Wind up the session today, so you can do that homework, right? Regarding 13 point lesson, that means the 13.4, 5, and 6. We have done 13.1, 2, 3. So 13.4, 5, and 13.6. You have done as well. You have to do this, right? Right. So we will meet on next week at same time at Hiru Institute, Matale, right? Sandhurma, you can join that Sunday class, right? No problem. After the next week, right? So next week we are meeting at same time at Matale, and the Sunday class you can come as well, right? Okay, no problem, right? Then we'll meet on next week.
Okay, sir.
Have a nice
Thank
day.
you, sir. Have a nice day, sir.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice day, sir.